Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and today let's take a look at these markers by Ohuhu. Ohuhu? Ohuhu? I don't know how it's pronounced, but I'm just gonna call it Ohuhu. And it comes with this kind of a pouch to keep all those markers inside. And these are the colors inside this set because I ordered only skin tones because the Touch School markers that I bought recently doesn't have any skin tones at all. Within this pouch there is another plastic packet, and within that packet there is some kind of like a silicone kind of pad. I don't know what that is. And also it has a swatch card and also some kind of instructions about how to use these pens and the basic history of these pens. The most useful thing that came with this set is this silicone mat, because it says that if we place this mat underneath the paper that we are drawing, it will prevent the alcohol from seeping to the next page, and I think it's really cool. First things first, I really love the look of these pens. They feel really elegant and really nice to hold them in hand. And these are also double-ended. One end has a chisel tip and it is white in color. And the other end is a brush tip and that is grey in color. It also has a bullet tip, but I just bought this brush tip because I really like brush tip pens. In this color swatch card, I'm going to swatch all the colors that came with this set. In this 24 color set, I think it has a wide variety of skin tones and I think it's going to be really useful. There was a mini tutorial about how to use these markers and about how to blend them, so I'm going to test that now, and with the color swatch card, I'm going to pick out the colors that I'll be needing for the test. Now I'll place a silicone mat underneath the page so that no alcohol ink will seep through to the next page. And if you haven't watched the green tea cup drawing tutorial, what are you doing? Go watch that video after this one. The first thing that I notice is that the brush tip actually gives a lot of control over where the color goes, because if it is a bullet tip, I don't think that you can control it that much, but with this one you can actually control it and I really like it. For the first layer of color, I think it is doing a pretty good job because it isn't sticky. I cannot see any distinct lines. They do blend together really easily. When I started to add another layer of color on top, that's exactly when all the magic happened, because all the colors became much more smoother and there was kind of a subtle transition between colors, and I really like these markers so far. I drew the exact same thing as in the booklet because I just wanted to test whether what they're claiming is right or not. And in my opinion, I don't see any difference between the drawing and the one in the booklet, because they said that their markers are going to be smooth and there won't be any harsh edges, and that's exactly what happened in the drawing as well. I cannot see any harsh edges. The colors are really nicely blended with each other and I really like these. Moving on to the actual test, I drew this sketch beforehand and now I'm just going to outline it, and once I'm done with it, I'll lighten it with a kneadable eraser and then I'll just move on with adding the colors. Before you even start thinking, let me just say it right now. I am not an expert of drawing characters using markers. If you have been with me for a really long time, then I'm sure that you would have known that I don't draw these kind of things. I almost always draw realism and watercolor painting and stuff like that. And this is my first time ever trying to do something totally different, totally out of the box. For the hair, I used Touch School markers. And I think at this point of time, she looks exactly like an old grandmother, so I just changed the hair color. I used color pencils for some details and I think it turned out really okay for a first attempt, and these markers really helped me a lot, and I think When I layered these markers on top of each other, that's exactly when all the magic happened. That's exactly when the colors just blended together so nice and so smooth. I think these markers are definitely worth every single penny. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. So if you did, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on any new videos. Until next time, bye everybody.